Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. Alright, so I'd like to start with removing the personalization of the ads, and then I'll show you how to set the private DNS. So we will begin with opening the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll and find this Google section. Let's tap on it. And here let's tap on all services. Then scroll down and go to ads. And as you can see here, we've got our advertising ID, thanks to which our device shows us much more personalized advertisements. So first of all, I highly recommend to tap on Reset Advertising ID, so you will reset it, obviously. And then I highly recommend to tap on Delete Advertising ID. Of course, you can read here what it actually means. Here I think it is quite important that apps can still show you advertisements, but they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. So just tap on Delete Advertising ID, of course if you wish, because maybe you don't want to. And as you can see, it will be immediately removed. And to actually limit the advertisements, I highly recommend to set the private DNS. Let's go to the very top of the list and go to the connections. Then let's tap on more connection settings. Sorry, I just needed to think about it. And here we've got the private DNS. Let's tap. And even though it is turned on and it is automatic, it probably doesn't work that much. So I highly recommend to set the private DNS. As you can see, if the DNS provided by you set is unavailable, your tablet won't be able to connect to the internet at all. No worries, using this DNS will allow you to connect to the internet. You will be able to actually check it. Here we've got the Wi-Fi and the maybe non-mobile data, but still Wi-Fi. Alright, so all we have to enter here, let me just do it maybe with my finger. We have to enter dns.adguard.com. Alright, we've got it, and tap on save. And as you can see, it is set. We do not have any kind of information that we are not able to use the internet, which is nice, which is good. And basically this should limit a lot of the advertisements which you will normally see. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.